Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 47 elegant bathroom design ideas, a hand-picked collection of stunning bathroom designs that blend beauty and functionality. The bathroom is one of the most important spaces in your home, serving as both a sanctuary for relaxation and a place to refresh. Whether you're remodeling or starting from scratch, these designs will inspire you to transform your bathroom into an elegant retreat. In this video, we'll take you through 47 beautiful bathroom ideas, each showcasing a different approach to creating a luxurious, yet practical space. From sleek modern minimalism to classic, timeless designs, you'll discover how the right combination of colors, textures, and materials can make a huge impact. You'll see inspiring uses of marble, wood, glass, and metal, as well as innovative storage solutions that keep your space tidy and orderly. What makes these bathroom designs stand out is their attention to detail. The layout, lighting, and finishing touches all contribute to the atmosphere, ensuring that each design doesn't just look great but also provides comfort and convenience. From spacious walk-in showers to freestanding bathtubs, you'll find ideas to suit all tastes and budgets. So sit back, relax, and enjoy exploring these elegant bathroom designs. If you love what you see, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more design inspiration, and leave a comment to let us know which bathroom idea you'd love to recreate in your own home. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the video.